And a shocker from the state of Uttar Pradesh. A video from Kanpur shows cops thrashing a man with a child. The man was the brother of a fourth-class government employee and he allegedly had shut the OPD of a district hospital and was pressing for their demands. Cops were called in by hospital authorities to disperse the protesters, but that is when they were seen thrashing the man with lathis. Once the video went viral, now a probe has been ordered. Right, so you are seeing the visuals of that particular incident that we are talking about from the city of Kanpur. You can see the victim actually inside the police van, and this particular victim actually is a fourth-class government employee, and he allegedly had shut the OPD of a district hospital and was pressing for their demands. And this is when the cops actually were called in by the hospital authorities to disperse the protesters. But you can see clearly in the visuals how the protesters are being beaten up by the cops. And in fact, you can see the man carrying a child with him in his arms was also brutally thrashed. The child was snatched away by the man. Of course, after that, brutal assault took place and this man was targeted by Kanpur police. In fact, Amir Haq is with us to give more details on this. So, Amir, very telling visuals there from Kanpur. Please help us understand what exactly happened there.
Well, absolutely, very shocking visuals indeed, because the cops in this particular video are clearly seen trying to snatch away this child from a man who's also being brutally thrashed by the police there. But clearly, the police had a completely different version to the sequence of events being shown in this particular video. In fact, this video comes in from the district hospital in Kanpur Rural, wherein side by side the construction of a medical college is also on. And in fact, this person who's seen sitting inside the police vehicle, who's been taken into custody by the police, happens to be one of the fourth-class employee leaders, Rajneesh Shukla, who was actually picked up by the police because he had forcibly shut down the OPD operations in the district hospital, trying to put forward his own demands, including restrictions in the way the construction of medical college adjacent to the district hospital was being carried out. Now, it was while the skirmish happened between this particular employee's leader and the police that his brother, who's seen in the pictures there carrying a kid in his arms, he actually came up there, and while the police was grappling with Shukla, trying to take control of him, because the police has accused him of trying to attack the police officers there. Several of them were in fact shut down inside the OPD building by these employees association members themselves. And in fact, this person, Shukla, Rajneesh Shukla, who is being seen overpowered by the police there, had also tried to bite off the local station house officer's thumb, which was why the police is seen, being absolutely strict on this particular person, who has been in fact taken into custody and has been bundled into the police vehicle. And while his brother tries to plead before the police, asking them to let go of Rajneesh Shukla, he also has a kid, a child in his arm. And it was then that perhaps the police officers, the cops there, lost their cool and started thrashing the brother of Rajneesh Shukla, who's seen there with a child in his arms. So that particular portion of the video absolutely went viral, and that gave the impression that the police is trying to attack this person with a child in his arms, that he's been that the child is being being snatched from this particular man, while the police's version is definitely different. Now, an inquiry has been ordered into the entire sequence of events. Of course, this act of trying to snatch away the child from a man carrying him is definitely deplorable, something that the police should actually have avoided there. But yes, the manner in which this person, Rajneesh Shukla, who happens to be a fourth-class employee association representative, a leader there, he had acted, the manner in which he attacked the police is also condemnable. So we'll have to wait for the details of the inquiry to emerge to make a clear opinion as to what exactly transpired leading to this particular viral video.
Right, once again, UP Police have a question or two to answer there, but thank you, Amir, for sharing all those details.